Hey, what's up, y'all? Know I'm a day late, but Merry Christmas. Hope everybody enjoyed their Christmas. Spent some time with your loved one, family, friends, but we are back to trading. Get these last couple days in for the year. Finish this thing out, man. Subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button. Watch recent videos. Share my channel also. It's going to get this trade in, man, and everybody can get back to their family, and y'all go spend some of that money on this shopping and whatever else after Christmas sales they got going on. Me, I'm not buying nothing, just cashing up. Got taxes due in the next four months, man. So y'all remember that now. Tax time coming. Um, let's get the trade, man, down $875. You know, people doing tax loss harvesting at the end of the year, and people taking some profits also, so scalping, so that is expected. But we're gonna buy this cash flow, buy these growth stocks at a discount. Buy urgent buys, urgent sales. IWMY, one I like, pay out every week. Options on the Russell 2000. Brought additional 2 shares with a buy limit order at $20.15. Got down to 2012 today. I went in and got another 10 at this price, so I will be watching this. It's probably gonna shoot back up to $20.50, but today is the ex-dividend date too. So you know how that works. Nice day to load up on some shares right there. USFR had an ex-dividend date. This paid 16 cents a share a month. Nice place to park cash. This is a Wisdom Tree floating rate treasury fund. Say 3.72% yield, but it's actually like a 4.3% yield. Pays out every month, 16 cents a share a month. AMLP, the oil ETF, 46.93. Go get you some of that, especially at that 47 and under price. 8.75% yield. 52-week low is 43.75 with a high 53.24. OXSQ. I brought an additional 50 shares of this. I buy 25 shares every day, trying to get that average cost down. Going to get some more today at 171, 25 shares. Being extra bullish on this one. 25, 1.71. Extended. So want to average this down in case this go back above the $2 mark. But this is buying cash flow, 3.5 cents a share. Like a 22% dividend yield. Ever since I had it, they never had a dividend cut. PSEC down to 249, 4.5 cents a share a month. Go get you some of that. 23% dividend yield there. Got COST. Costco 869 at 872. Definitely go get you some of that for a long-term play. NFLX, Netflix, 93.27. Got down to. Go get you some of that at the market price. LYB, Lionel Basel 42.85. Say 43.05. Get me some of that. Why buy LYB for the dividend yield and the average down 12.64% yield. Price target lower to 35 from 41 is what they saying. But I don't know if it's gonna get that low or not. DEO, Diageo 85.53. But I'm gonna let you know now. Lionel Balls is one I'm gonna trade myself up out of. People still gonna buy it because they're gonna chase that dividend yield. DEO got down to 85.53. Say 86.02. Nice price to pick up some of that if you want to get into that. Got about a 4.5% dividend yield. HPP trying to make his way back up. I'm lowering my average cost in it. See, not loading up. If you out of this play, do not get in it. Better plays to be in. KHC, Kraft Heinz. Kraft Foods, I'm sorry. I don't know why I like calling that Kraft Heinz. Got down to 23.85. 24.4. Go pick up a couple pieces of that. Got like a 6.3% dividend yield. Got Nike. Definitely taking advantage of this one. Dividend yield should be around 4%, somewhere 2.67. Come down to Nike. Got Tellus, ticker TU. Got down to 1282 today at 1283. I should still have some buy limit orders there, please. Yep. Pick up a piece of that. They got a buy limit order around about 1268. LFT, Lumen Finance. We'll go in at 146, 147 today. Put it in at 146. It's going to be a swing trade. If you're not in it, stay out of it. It does pay a nice quarterly dividend, though. But this is a perfect price to start a position in before it runs up. Back above the $2 mark. SRLN got like a 7.2% yield payout every month. Got down to 41.19. Go get you some of that. 39.08, 52-week low, 42.03 is the high. YMAX got down to 10.21 today at 10.26. Go get you nibble on that one. Metafast, stay out of this play. Buying dollars. Metafast got Vici, VICI. It's got down to 27.92 today. Got over 6% quarterly dividend yield. Know they own a lot of resorts down in Vegas. Got DEA. A little piece of that. Nice quarterly player. We're going to go with Land, Gladstone Land. $8.81. It's got a 52-week low of 847. It's at 881. Got this 83% hold. Dividend yield is 6.32%. 52-week high 11.92. So you know this is a dividend play. Also can sell this. It's going to go back around about the 960th mark. 8.81. Get 10 shares at this price. Lower that average cost right there. And it pay out every month. Wybit, Bitcoin came down. 33.57. Got this on a dollar a day recurring, but on down days, I go pick up another piece. Get my positions right with this. When Bitcoin does take off, I'll be good. ABR. Put your buy limit orders in, man, at 770. The load up at, that's the 52-week low. I got one at 770. Got 23 shares. I'm going to replace that. Just do 5. Just in case this stock want to act crazy and go lower. Boom. But today I am going to 780. Buying dollars, $3 worth. Average on down with this one. Got about 1,000 shares. So I'm good. Ticker FLO, Flowers Food. We'll get you some of that. Should have like a 9.2% dividend yield. 9.04, 52-week high, 2092. Probably never going to see that price again. Brown-Forman is another liquor company at $26.29. I went and got $100 worth to add on. 52-week low is $25.53, 3.37% yield. I know they got tariffs going on. Also, people are drinking less. So what I'm going to do, it probably won't reach that 52-week high till, I don't know, they got tariffs going on, man. Might be a couple years, to be honest, but it's a dividend play. It can get up. I think in the last couple weeks, it got up to around about like $31. So that might be the sweet spot, but I'm buying it. I say if you're not in it, stay out of it. So once I make my exit, because like they say, this generation, they smoking more, using other stuff more than drinking. $21.92 BTCC. Y'all know this pays every week. Nowadays, I definitely go buy some of that. All right, that's everything on my list. We can go check out traps. We like this market coming on down. Don't know if it's a permanent thing, but we gonna find out. Bank stocks coming down. I thought about making my exit out of those because I just want to deal with the credit card companies here on out, because people about to be in major debt, and the only way only people gonna turn to is credit card. They gonna max them out, pay maximum in interest, and credit card companies gonna make money. So I want to be there. So I'm thinking about selling my bank stocks and just deal with American Express, MasterCard, Visa, Capital One. I want to do SoFi because they got margin. I'm going to do Webull because people pay margin. Like dealing with debt. I'm just going to deal with that and let those other bank stocks go. SoFi going to be the only one I'm going to really be buying. That one in Capital One if I was on the bank side. And Robinhood and Webull, they brokers, but they like banks. They give you high interest rates. But probably scalp all the ones near 52-week highs. Leave the rest for it to run. See whether it run or not. If it don't, just get on out of it. Right now, I'm going for cash flow, and that's how I'm gonna rock out. See what else going on, man. Just side eyeing these stocks. Comcast. 29.55. I wanted 27 and under. Got our land Metafast. All right, RYLD. I got a sell limit order at 15.55. Why am I selling? I got $16,654 right now sitting. I can get that. My average cost is $15.27. I actually brought some at $16 and all that there, lowering my average cost to get it down. I want to get that money. I'm going to put into another monthly pair that has a high yield like OXSQ. And I want to do IWMY and QQQY that pays out weekly with a higher yield, like a 40 to 60% yield. So I am going to multiply my dividend. And if this happen to go back down at 14.50 and under, I'm going to start another position and do it all over again. Because this got a 52-week high of 16 something. I don't know. Remember, as the days and months go by, as it does not reach it, 52-week highs come on down. So it'll make a lower 52-week high and make a higher 52-week low. That's how things work. So before you know it, man, this 52-week high be around about $16. So that's why I say I'm going to take it. But it does have like a 12% dividend yield. For every dollar it is, you get like a penny. So it's trading at $15.50. You're going to get like 15.1555 cents every month. If it's trading at $14, you're going to get 14 cents a month. That's kind of how that pay out. Got ABR. Like I said, I think all growth investors starting to cash out and they're looking for dividend for cash flow now. Because you don't know how much higher this S&P 500 is going to go. MFA, nice quarterly double-digit pair while I'm here. Going to get some of that. So that's where I'm headed now. Money about to get a little funny out here. You see all these layoffs. USOI, that's another one I'm going to be getting. With a 30% dividend yield, paying every month. I like to load up at the 47 unders. So when I do like $10 to $20 a day then. And oil right now is cheap. Oil should go back up later in the future. So this like the oil winner. All oil stocks down, Chevron and everything. So if you like those plays, it's the perfect time for you to go in and get them. Disney at 12.12, can leave that alone. XOMO, you know that's an oil play, like there's options on oil. I don't load up, just piecing it together, knocking down my average cost. Also pays out every week. Sun's down 2.67. Or since I'm here, going to get a piece of it. Nice quarterly paying REIT. Got our WMY. Wendy's gonna make my exit out of that one when that go on the next squeeze. When they hit about to that 963 mark again, I think I'm gonna exit out of this one and be done with it. What's the dividend yield now? Should be around 8%. Well, 9.41. I got QDTE, XDTE. I got those on a dollar day recurring. YMAX waiting on that. USOY got a buy limit order at 638, 640. That's why I like it. See, charge point. I need to go get some of this too. As a weekly thing. I charted out for the week. Pick up 5 shares. Bull Hood, all that's cool. Where's SoFi sitting at? 27. I'm good. Where the big discounts at for the day? Not buying no Tesla. Coney. Extra little $2 worth. Kind of glad I went and got my 100 shares, well, 1,000 shares before the stock split. Cause I don't buy any more of it, just reinvesting in other plays. It look like that's gonna be it for today, man. DKL Delic Logistics. I was wondering if I got to do a K1 on this, and I brought this for the dividend yield, 9.82%. But I'll do my homework and find out. All right, man, go get your money. Enjoy your weekend.